Today we'll be assembling the Coast Folding Stroller Trike. This video applies to all models, including the Luxe versions. To start, unfold the product by lifting up on the seat back. Next, lift up on the front handlebars, and finally drop down the baby hoop. Pick up the rear legs and rotate them backwards, then insert the front wheel until it clicks into place. To install the pedals, simply click them into the front wheel. You might have to rotate these a little bit to get them aligned. To remove the pedals, there's a button underneath the front fork. Push that, then pull the pedal out. You can store these in the zipper pocket in the storage bag on the back. To install the canopy, start by rotating the arms down. Then push the button on each arm and slide it into the slot on the back of the seat, making sure it clicks into place. Pull the front edge of the canopy to open it, and then you can adjust the angle to your liking. To attach the cup holder, hook it onto the back of the handlebars, then rotate forward. Attach the parent push bar by slotting it into the opening on the back of the frame. Make sure to insert the pin so that the push bar stays securely in place. To extend the push bar, there's a button in the middle of the handle. Push that down, then pull up. You can engage and disengage the child steering by sliding the collar up and down on the front handlebars. To drop the footrest into place, push the buttons on either side, then rotate them forward. There's a locking button on the front wheel that you can use to engage and disengage the pedals. If you want to remove the baby hoop, push the tabs on either side outwards, then lift up. To remove the front wheel, you can push the button behind it, then pull it out. The parking brake is located on the right rear wheel. Push down to activate and lift up to disengage. And now, you're ready to roll.